Welcome students to English Learnopedia. Today we will learn what is English. So let's begin. The basic step to learn English is to learn the letters of the English alphabets. When you will read, write or speak, you are going to use these alphabets to form words. What is English? Originally, the language of the people of England, English is currently spoken by more than 1500 million people in hundreds of countries. What is alphabets? Alphabets. An alphabet is a set of letters usually presented in a fixed order, which is used for writing the words of a particular language. There are 26 letters in English alphabets, from A to Z. We can write each letter of the English alphabet as small letters and capital letters, which can also be termed as uppercase and lowercase. English alphabets is divided into two segments, consonant and vowel. What is consonant? Any letters like B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. What is vowel? A, E, I, O, U. Thank you for watching. I will see you in our next lesson.